The world is full of mysteries that have puzzled people for centuries. Even with all the progress in science and technology, some things remain unexplained, fascinating experts and ordinary people alike. From ancient objects with unknown origins to strange natural events, these mysteries make us question what we know about the world and our place in it. One of the longest-standing mysteries is the disappearance of entire civilizations. The Maya, for example, built amazing cities, created an advanced calendar, and had deep knowledge of astronomy. Yet, they suddenly abandoned their cities, and no one knows why. Some think it might be due to climate change, wars, or running out of resources, but there's no clear answer. Similarly, the story of Atlantis, a city described by Plato, continues to intrigue people. Despite many searches and theories, no solid evidence of its existence has ever been found, making it one of history's greatest puzzles. Another fascinating mystery involves strange objects and structures. The Great Pyramids of Giza have amazed archaeologists and engineers for years. How did ancient people move such huge stone blocks and align the pyramids so perfectly with the stars? No one knows for sure. Stonehenge in England is another example. It's a collection of massive stones placed in a way that has left researchers wondering why and how it was built. Since it was made before writing existed, we can only guess its purpose. The Antikythera mechanism, found in a shipwreck, is another puzzling object. Known as the first analog computer, it's incredibly complex for its time. Who made it and how such advanced knowledge was lost remain unanswered questions. Nature also holds mysteries that we can't explain. The Bermuda Triangle, an area in the Atlantic Ocean, is famous for the unexplained disappearances of ships and planes. Some think it's due to natural causes like strange magnetic fields or gas eruptions, while others suggest alien activity. The Nazca lines in Peru, giant designs drawn into the desert ground, are another riddle. You can only see these shapes clearly from above, which raises questions about how they were made and why. Were they used for astronomy, religious ceremonies, or something else? No one knows for sure. History is full of strange events that still confuse us. The Voynich manuscript is a book filled with drawings and writing in a language no one has been able to decode. Many experts have tried, but its meaning remains a mystery. The story of the Mary Celeste, a ship found empty and drifting in 1872, is another unsolved puzzle. The ship was in good condition, and its cargo was untouched, but the crew was gone without a trace. Ideas about what happened range from mutiny to natural disasters, but none have been proven. The idea of life beyond Earth is another big mystery. UFO sightings have been reported all over the world, often involving strange lights and unexplained movements. One of the most famous cases is the Roswell incident in 1947, where something crashed in New Mexico. While the US government said it was just a weather balloon, many people believe it was an alien spacecraft. The WOW signal, a strange radio signal detected in 1977, is another example. Some think it might have come from an alien civilization, but no one has found where it came from or what it meant. Even our own minds are full of mysteries. Consciousness, or the experience of being aware, is something scientists and philosophers still don't fully understand. How does it happen, and why? Near-death experiences, where people report vivid visions or sensations when they're close to dying, add to the mystery. Some think these experiences are just brain activity, while others believe they're evidence of an afterlife. The placebo effect, where people feel better after taking fake treatments, also shows how little we know about the connection between the mind and the body. There are also strange natural phenomena we can't explain. In Taos, New Mexico, some people hear a low humming sound called the Taos hum, but no one knows where it comes from. The dancing plague of 1518, where people in France danced non-stop until they collapsed or died, is another strange event. Some think it was caused by stress or poisoned food, but no one is sure. Ball lightning, glowing orbs that appear during storms, is another phenomenon that scientists haven't figured out yet, even though many people have seen it. Animals add to the list of mysteries. Monarch butterflies, for example, travel thousands of miles to places they've never been, guided by instincts we don't fully understand. The Loch Ness Monster, a creature said to live in a Scottish lake, has been talked about for years, but no solid evidence has been found. Animals like dolphins, crows, and octopuses also show intelligence that surprises scientists. They can use tools, solve problems, and even communicate in ways that blur the line between humans and animals. Mysteries also appear in art and culture. Jack the Ripper, a serial killer who terrorized London in the late 1800s, was never caught, and his identity remains unknown. Ancient artifacts like the Baghdad Battery, which looks like it could generate electricity, also puzzle researchers. Was it used for electroplating or something else? The Shroud of Turin, a cloth with the image of a man, is another mystery. Some believe it's the burial cloth of Jesus, while others think it's a clever fake. Some mysteries stretch the boundaries of science. Cryptids, creatures like Bigfoot or the Chupacabra, are said to exist but haven't been proven. Spontaneous human combustion, where people reportedly catch fire without an obvious cause, is another strange phenomenon. While skeptics say it's caused by external factors, others think it's something we don't understand yet. Psychic abilities, like telepathy or seeing the future, also remain controversial. Some studies hint at unusual patterns, but many dismiss them as coincidence or imagination. The oceans, which cover most of the Earth, are full of secrets. The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean, is still largely unexplored. Strange underwater sounds, like the bloop recorded in 1997, have been heard, but their sources are unknown. Some think they come from sea creatures or underwater volcanoes. The disappearance of planes and ships, like Malaysia Airlines flight MH370, shows how vast and unpredictable the oceans can be. Despite massive searches, the plane's location has never been found. Even time itself is mysterious. The idea of time travel, popular in science fiction, raises big questions. Some scientists think it might be possible through things like wormholes, but it's still just a theory. The concept of parallel universes, where there could be other versions of reality, also challenges what we know. While these ideas are fascinating, they're far from being proven. People have always been curious about the unknown, and these mysteries remind us of how much we still have to learn. They spark debates, inspire stories, and push us to keep exploring. While some of these puzzles might one day be solved, others may always remain a mystery. In the end, it's our quest to understand the world that keeps us going, driving us to uncover the secrets of the universe.